Hello there. So you want to know how you can fix Yahoo Mail login issue? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. There are a couple ways that you can be facing problems when it comes to Yahoo logins. So I'm going to go ahead and show you as much of it as I can. Simply go ahead and search for login or search for Yahoo on any browser that you want to, and simply go ahead and click on the first link right over here. Click on sign in, and finally here is where you want to go ahead and enter your username, email, or your mobile number. So if you don't remember your username, you can just click on forgot username and you can simply enter your email or phone number and you can get back your username. If that is not the case, simply go ahead and enter your username, click on continue, and once you do that, it's going to go ahead and take you to enter your password. If you don't remember the password, again, there's going to be a forgot password button which you want to simply go ahead and click on, and they'll send you a mail to your email, and then you can simply go ahead and recover it from. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.